This is a U.S. model Ilco genuine pin tumbler, model number 150-4 XJK. This padlock is World War II era. Actually has a removable core, but there is no screw to remove the core. This was sent to me by my grandmother. It belonged to my great-grandfather. I believe these also had the clamp with the chain and a key. But I wanted to share this with you. U.S. Ilco genuine pin tumbler, model 150-4 XJK. If anybody has any information on these, I don't have a key, but please leave any information in the comments. Have a great day. Rock and roll. Love you, Poppy.